Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about a new product. So this is one that I was so excited to get. I have actually been using these products since 2014 and I love them. I'm currently 41 and I feel like I wish I would have started these products in my 20s, but they weren't around then. So I did start them when I was about 33, 34. And I am loving these products. So I'm not here to sell them to you guys. I'm just here to talk about their newest product. It's from Rodan Fields and this is called the RNF Instant Targeted Firming Gel. So what I'm calling it is basically like Botox in a bottle because the claims on this bad boy are pretty amazing. So I'm just gonna read to you guys a little bit about what it says that this product is supposed to do. And then I will throw in some before and afters. I clearly don't have any before and afters yet because I just received it yesterday. I did put it on last night a little bit and then I put it on this morning as well. So we're just gonna kind of dive into what it's supposed to do and I'll show you some other people's before and afters. So it says, say hello to the best 5 minutes before applying your makeup. RNF Instant Targeted Firming Gel is derm precision at your fingertips that instantly smooths out fine lines, your 11s here, your forehead lines, your smile lines, your eye lines. This is like the main reason I wanted to get it was for my, like I don't think I have a lot of wrinkles when my face is like this, but when I smile, I don't love my little, I know it's silly, like everyone has lines when they smile, but that's the area that I really wanted to work on. So the cool thing about this is that the instant benefits take effect within approximately 5 minutes and are temporary, but long-term benefits based on 8 weeks of use. So if you put this on in the morning before you apply all of your makeup and everything, I'm assuming, it doesn't say like how temporary they are, but I'm assuming maybe it'll last throughout the day. So that part is temporary, but the more you use it, the more you're gonna see results. I think this sounded really, really cool. And the cool thing that they're starting to do with their packaging, they're trying to be more conscious of like garbage and trash and everything. So this thing is really cool. On the side here, it's unlocked right now and then you can, or no wait, I do have it locked. So that way if you have it in your makeup bag or something and you push on it, you're not gonna waste product. So then you turn it over to the unlock and you push it up and product will come out. And then if you turn it one more time, it unlocks it completely and you can pull it completely out. So when you reorder, you're only gonna have to pay for another one of these. You're not gonna have to pay for this other packaging, which I thought was really cool. So it's gonna save us a little bit of money too when we reorder, and it's just better for the environment. Oh, okay, I'm just looking on their Instagram right now and someone asked how temporary after the 5 minutes. And Rodan Fields responded, instant benefits take effect within approximately 5 minutes and last for approximately 4 hours. If you would like to reapply, we recommend applying on clean skin for the best results. So you obviously don't want to put this over top of makeup. You definitely want to have your skin clean. So what I've been doing is just making sure my skin is cleansed. I put a little bit of toner on and then I put this on. So this morning when I did it, I just put a little bit on this finger and I dabbed it underneath my eyes, and then I used another couple pumps and put it on my forehead and then just right here, because I feel like those are my only really problem areas right now. So far so good. I can't really tell if my makeup applied different. I mean, I don't know. I can't really tell yet. Although I will say, so this eye, I've actually done twice because I only did one eye last night because I was trying to like really see if I could tell a difference. And I feel like right now, this eye looks better than this one just after 2 uses, and this one only has 1. So I don't know. I'll have to do a little update video after like 8 weeks and see, oh my gosh, 8 weeks from now I could be having a baby. Holy moly, that's crazy to think. So this will be available to everyone on June 1st. Consultants right now can only purchase it. Like I said, I'm a consultant. I have been since 2014. I don't work the business at all. That's a whole nother story. I know some of you, if you guys are watching this, are not fans of MLM companies, and I get it. I totally get it. But this is actually a really good product, and these products are really the only reason I've stayed in the business. I don't really believe in everything that the whole biz side has to offer, but I do believe in these products and they really do work. And so when I purchased it, I did a little bundle with the eye cream and this, and I will say I've been out of this eye cream for like quite a while, and I haven't repurchased because I kept getting different eye creams in my BoxyCharm. This is by far the best eye cream I've ever used. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a consultant. This stuff is amazing. So, oh, and I did want to tell you guys some of the prices. So, okay, by itself, retail is $105, which I don't think is bad for a product that's supposed to be kind of like Botox, is what I'm calling it. I'm probably not supposed to say that, but that's kind of what it reminded me of. So 105, and then if you're a preferred customer, it's going to be 10% off of that, I believe. So it'll probably be right around like 90. And then if you just want to repurchase the, oh, baby's kicking. If you just want to repurchase the refill, like I showed you earlier, that one retails for $87, and then as a preferred customer, it'll be 10% less. So that's not bad. And then the eye cream, how much is our eye cream? So yeah, our eye cream retails for $70, and then PC price will be 10% off of that. So for an eye cream, I don't think it's bad. I actually spent $120 on an Obagi eye cream, and I want to throw that thing in the garbage. It has done absolutely nothing. So I think that this one is totally worth the price, in my opinion. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and insert some before and afters for you guys to check out. These are people that were able to try the product before it was launched to even us consultants. And I don't know, I was pretty blown away by the results. So I'm anxious to see how it does on my skin, and I will do an update video in the future. So let me know if you guys have any questions down below, and we will talk to y'all later. Bye.